Hi, how are you? Heather Weiner here with another sample box. This is our spring 2023 sample box, which I know you're going to love. So many good things for you to sell in your store. Let's look at them so you could try them. You can still claim them. You will be getting emails from us, or feel free to email us or call us if you want to receive one as well. Let's look and see what's inside so you can start getting started on your own. We just got it and I'm so excited about it. As always, there's a letter from me addressing you and just telling you what's inside of this if you want a cheat sheet before you go inside. On the other side of this is a survey. So you haven't emailed the survey in the past, which you will be getting again, but now you have the opportunity to fill it out here too and send it back to us. And your feedback is so important for these vendors. They've taken the time and invested in sending you these samples. Please do give us feedback. We really would love that. And there is an envelope in here too to send it back to us. So please do. As always, there's lots of good literature on all the products that are in here, which you can go at your leisure. So starting with our first thing, we got something from Terry Naturally. Who doesn't love Terry Naturally? And it's a rose hip and joint comfort with type 2 collagen. This is going to be amazing. Thank you. I know I get aches and pains, and after Expo, this will be so good. Thank you, Terra Naturally. Moving on from Oromir. Thank you. Oromir always delivers these boxes. We got a shampoo bar with neem. And look at this packaging. It's gorgeous. And thank you so much, Oromir. This is going to be wonderful. BioNutrition has always been so generous in these boxes. They got brand new packaging. Check it out. This is lovely. And what we have here is Irish sea moss. This has been such a hot product. I know it's been selling off the shelves, and I know you're going to want to get yours as well so you can participate too. Thank you so much, BioNutrition. This is gorgeous. From Soul Strips and Soul Licks. A new way to be taking supplements is little strips on your tongue, which do dissolve. It's a great delivery system. And Soul Strips and Soul Licks has put together this lovely kit for you. It starts from cardio, multis, and immune, all the way down to something for your pet. So enjoy this lovely kit that they did put together for you. Thank you, Soul Licks and Soul Strips. More literature. Michaels. I love Michaels. I've grown up with Michaels, always being there. Michaels Health and Natural Products Program has a new product for you, which is Sleep Factors, which I know a lot of us do have trouble with sleeping, and this will be great. Thank you so much, Michaels. And if you have kids like I do, or just have lots of messes, Kaboo Bamboo Baby Wipes, the whole package. Thank you so much, Kaboo. I know I'll put these to use, and I'm sure many of you will as well. Lily of the Desert. I love Lily of the Desert. They're saying, well, hello there. They're saying hi to you, and they have a little sample pack with some aloe vera juice and more. Thank you so much, Lily. You will love these products. Odyssey and Mushroom Elixir, Sparkling Mushroom Elixir. I don't know if you got the chance to sample these at Expo. I did. It was delicious. And this is a dragon fruit lemonade. I know you're going to love this. So cheers. Here's a new product from Sustain RX Perfect Synergy, which is carnosine in it. It's a wonderful company as well. And they have been new to the retail sector. So I know this is going to be the perfect product to join for your active aging and active nutrition shelves. So this will be perfect for you guys to start stocking as well. It has some carnosine booster in there, and it will be wonderful. Thank you so much. Just Thrive has always been wonderful for their sample boxes. We have another starter kit with their probiotic and antioxidant, as well as Just Calm. Thank you so much. Moving on, we got from Earth Kiss, some Supernaturals. This is a kombucha and charcoal exfoliating clay mask. Your skin's going to love this. I believe there is a few different ones in different boxes, so there might be a variety, but lovely masks from Earth Kiss. Proven has been a wonderful company that I've been chatting with recently, and they've been so generous to put together this nice little pack for your kids, fit for school, probiotics for women, and adult probiotics as well. So check out these probiotics, it's a little bit more condition specific, and it should be wonderful to add to your probiotic collection. Irwin's been wonderful with us too. And we have an excellent CBD and turmeric combination, which I know I'm going to love and take care of those aches and pains that we all have. This has been a new product I've been really excited about. I've been chatting with them with Cal. Cal has taken your multivitamin. They've made it into an AM and PM. Because, we all know that we take a whole lot and maybe we don't need everything all at once. The great way that Cal has separated it for what you need in AM and PM. And thank you so much, Cal, for these samples. Another company I absolutely love, Prince of Peace. They've been doing these ginger chews, but this is Prince Ginger Chews Plus with enhanced with concentrated extracts. I have loved these always. I love ginger. If you love ginger, you're just going to love chewing on them. But sometimes even if you're going to have maybe a little motion sickness or a little queasiness or something, ginger chews are amazing for this, and you're going to love the Prince of Peace ones. Thanks, Prince of Peace. Keeping on with everything. Boron's been wonderful in our boxes. Stress Calm on the go. Who hasn't been stressed lately, especially after Expo? You will love these, and your customers I know are stressed too, and they're going to want these too. A few more left. Okay. Who has experienced a night where maybe you drank too much? Backup Alcohol Detox Enzyme Booster, Party Boost. This is an excellent opportunity or an excellent thing just to have if you're going to have a night out in the town. and you want to make sure that you don't get hung over the next day. Thank you so much, Backup. Getting to the end, if you have pets or you have cats, pet products are so big in the stores lately. We have from Bench and Field, feline treats. So thank you so much. These have omegas and so much more in it. Thank you so much, Bench and Fields. I know cats all over are going to love these. And last but not least, another one of our favorites has been Global Healing. They've been with us for a long time in the sample box, and they're giving us some of their quercetin now. I love quercetin. I know you're going to love theirs. Thank you so much. And we are at the end of the box. And that's it for this time. So please sign up and get your box. These are all these goodies can be yours. And know that we will be doing another one in the fall. Thank you so much. And we look forward to seeing you when we see you, and enjoy. And we're so happy to bring you the Whole Food sample box. Thanks. Bye-bye.